If you are wondering if Nothing Phone 3 overheats, if it has heating issues, then the answer seems to be yes, kind of. And let me quickly explain. I know that some people reported that their Nothing Phone 3 can reach really high temperatures, like really high temperatures. And I kind of experienced it as well. However, the only time when Nothing Phone 3 was unbearable in terms of the hotness of the phone, in terms of the temperature, was after the benchmark. And this can be quite normal for benchmarks. However, from what I know, from what I managed to find on the internet, some people say that in general, the CPU that we have on this phone has known thermal issues. And especially for gamers, this is a bad news, because most likely if you play games on your phone, then if you have Nothing Phone 3, then you will most likely experience heating issues. And all I can say really, based on my own experiences, is that after the benchmark, the phone, I couldn't even hold the phone, it was that hot. So unfortunately, yes, it has some overheating issues, but perhaps you don't really experience it when you just use your phone for anything else than gaming. Although I'm pretty sure some really high temperatures can also be reached when you use your camera a lot, or if you perhaps watch videos for a long time. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.